In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create basic shapes like a rectangle or square in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is a great skill to know if you want to make your videos look cleaner, highlight text, add callouts, cover parts of the screen, or build more professional edits inside CapCut. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and make sure your project is ready on the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left main menu and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut stores a lot of creative elements, including shapes you can use in your edit. After clicking Stickers, look at the vertical category list on the left side of the panel. Scroll down carefully until you find Shapes. When you click Shapes, CapCut will show you a few basic vector options such as a square, a circle, and custom line tools. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the square since that's the easiest shape to use when you want a rectangle or a block-style overlay. Now simply drag the square shape down to your timeline or directly into your preview area, depending on how your workspace is set up. Once the shape is added, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. If you want a rectangle instead of a perfect square, just stretch it wider or taller until it matches the look you want. You can also move it around the screen and place it exactly where you need it. Next, if you want to customize it even more, check the right side panel. CapCut gives you editing controls there, so you can transform the shape, adjust its position, change its size, and make it fit your design better. You can also add animation if you want the shape to appear with motion or enter the screen in a more dynamic way. This is especially useful for captions, emphasis boxes, or title animations. And if your project needs it, you can even use motion tracking so the shape follows a moving subject in your video. That's really helpful when you want to blur, cover, or highlight something as it moves across the frame. Take a moment to test different sizes and placements until your shape looks clean and professional. The best part is that these shapes are simple, flexible, and useful in so many different types of edits, so whether you're making a tutorial, a short-form video, or a branded edit, knowing how to add basic shapes in CapCut PC can save you a lot of time. And that's it. Now you know how to create a basic square or rectangle in CapCut PC and customize it however you want. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.